Hello, dear children, welcome back to your science class. So, today we are going to discuss some defects of human eye, in which first one we are going to talk about is myopia, which is short sightedness. In this type of defect of vision, the eyes distinctly see the object as near distance but are unable to see the object placed at far distance. So, what are the causes of myopia? Excessive curvature of eye lens, elongation of eyeball. As a result, the focal length of the eye decreases. Rays from infinity focus at a point in the front of retina. Remedy of myopia using a concave lens of suitable power, which brings the image back on the retina. Hypermetropia, that is also called as farsightedness. In this type of defect of vision, the eyes distinctly see the object placed at far distance but is unable to see the object placed at near distance. What are causes of hypermetropia? Focal length of the eye is too long. Eyeball has become too small. As a result, focal length of eye lens increases. Rays from near point focus at a point at the back of the retina. Remedy for hypermetropia using a convex lens of suitable power which provides the additional focusing power required to form the image on the retina. Next is presbyopia. In this type of defect of vision, the image of the nearby objects appears blurred to the eye and the power of accommodation of the eye decreases with the old age. What are the causes of presbyopia? Gradual weakening of ciliary muscles, the loss of flexibility of the eye lens. Remedy of presbyopia by using converging lens for reading and other close work. Sometimes a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia and may require bifocal lens. It consists of both concave and convex lenses. The upper portion consists a concave lens for distant vision and lower portion consists of convex lens to facilitate near vision. These days it is impossible to correct the refractive defects with contact lenses or through surgical interventions. See the normal vision and myopia. Normal vision, far away object is clear. Myopia, near-sighted eye, the eyeball is too long, far away object is blurry. And myopia corrected, you find that the correction with a minus lens.